Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do this DIY mask. So it's no more news. Coronavirus is rapidly increasing and people are dying every day, and I think I heard in hospitals they are running out of masks, so it's wise that you protect yourself as much as you can. Without further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. So we need the lining, cotton fabric, and interfacing. You also need 7 inches of elastic band, scissors, and pins. So this is 9 by 6 inches. That's cutting this fabric is 9 by 6 inches. Now take away your lining and you just place the cotton fabric on top of the interfacing. Now place this elastic on the right side of the fabric or your cotton fabric, and you pin it down, leaving about half an inch on both sides. The reason why we're leaving this half an inch is for us to be able to sew. You do the same thing on the other side. So once you're done doing so, you just place your lining on top of this. Okay, just place your lining on top of it, and one after the other you take out the pins and pin the lining to the main fabric with the elastic as well. Basically the whole idea is for you to be able to pin everything, like pin the lining, the elastic, and the main fabric together. Now you sew from this point where you see my finger, just sew from there down to this point, and you do the same thing on the other side. You just sew by the side down to this point, leaving this center part unsewn, if there's any word like that. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to just use my chalk to identify where I'll stop sewing. So watch me sew. Okay, so if you watch carefully, you will see that where I have that elastic, I'm sewing more than once on it, like I'm sewing and re-sewing on it. That's because I want it secured. And while you're sewing on the side, be careful, let the elastic not go into the part where you've sewn or where you're sewing. So you do the same thing all around. Wherever you get to that part where you have the elastic, you sew it like twice, just for it to be secured, and don't pull out. So once you're done doing that, you can see how it looks here. Once you're done doing that, you now open it up. When you open it up, this is what it will look like. So now you use your screwdriver or pen, pencil, anything you can just use to push out the edges well. Can see that center part we didn't sew is where we're able to do all of that. Go ahead and iron. So I'm done ironing, and this is what it looks like after ironing. Now go ahead to just create pleats, about 2 pleats in the middle. While you're pleating, take note of that middle part that we did not sew and push it inside so it looks clean on that edge. Now you pleat the second one. Just hold it little, just very, very small. So once you're done with the pins, like pleating and holding it to the pins, now you go ahead to just sew on this edge to keep the pleats together. So let's sew together. Please note, while you're sewing, you're not sewing from the very beginning, you're sewing from where the pleat starts. Okay, so you're leaving about half an inch, and you do the same thing to the other side. Now you take out the pins one after the other so you don't spoil your sewing machine. Ensure that the pleats are together. So our face mask is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next video.